Mr. M. Do you ever wonder if AI is going to be smarter than us? Or maybe it already is. Hey everyone, I'm Mr. M, and today we're diving into one of the biggest questions in tech. Who's actually smarter? AI or humans? If you're into tech, gaming, or mind-bending topics, hit that subscribe button. Big things are coming. Thanks for being here. Let's keep it simple. Humans think with emotion, experience, creativity. AI, it thinks with data. Massive data. So the real question isn't just who's smarter, but smart in what way? Let's be honest. AI is fast. It can process more information in 1 second than we could in a lifetime. Math? Instant. Translating languages? Easy. Solving problems? As long as it has the data, it's done. Creativity. Humans win. For now. But here's the twist. AI still struggles with one thing: real creativity. Sure, it can make art, music, even full videos. But humans create from emotion, from memory, from life. AI creates from patterns. Big difference. Logic is AI's playground. It doesn't get tired, doesn't get emotional, doesn't panic under pressure. If you give AI clear rules, it will always outperform us. Decision-making. Humans win. But humans, we have intuition. We make decisions based on experience, morals, fear, happiness, things no machine truly understands. We take risks. We dream. That's something AI cannot copy. So, who's smarter? Honestly, it's not that simple. AI is smarter at speed, logic, and repetition. Humans are smarter at creativity, emotion, and real-world decisions. And here's the part everyone wants to know. Will AI pass humans completely? Maybe, but not today. Not as long as humans keep learning, adapting, and improving. Artificial intelligence is powerful, but we are the ones who build it, guide it, and give it purpose. So do you think AI will be smarter than humans? Yes or no? I'm curious to hear your thoughts. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to subscribe and join the community. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.